Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to install a corner bead. What I've got here is a basic small little version of a corner of a new house or an addition or a remodel of a basic corner of a wall after the drywall's been installed. As you can see, it's smooth on one side and it'll have a gap on the other side, and this type of gap is impossible to float with a piece of paper tape or flex tape or mesh tape or any of that other stuff. It's just not recommended. What you want to use in this type of situation is what you call a corner bead. And this is a little small section of corner bead. It's just a piece of aluminum. And what it does is it actually fits over the corner on both sides, so you can get you a nice straight corner. Now, if you ever go look at you can go look at one of your walls in your house right now, and you'll probably wonder, how did they get that corner so straight and so smooth? This is how they did it, okay? This is how you get those nice, straight, smooth corners, okay? And they're real simple to install. Once you have your drywall installed on your wall, on your stud, whatever your type of situation is, once you've got it just like that, and you got to make sure that it's nice and smooth right here. You don't want something overlapping right here that's going to actually push the drywall out. You want it nice and flush. You want it nice and smooth, okay? If it is sticking out just a little bit, you can actually use this little tool right here called a rasper. And it's just like a big heavy-duty file. And what you can do is, after you got if there's a little spot sticking out, you can just take your rasper right here and you can actually just kind of sand it down and grind it down to where it's smooth and it's kind of like flush with the other piece, okay? Once you've got that done, installing the corner bead is just simple as just running a couple of drywall screws into the drywall, okay? You're actually going to apply your corner bead on here just like so, okay? And after you've got it on your corner, all you're going to do is take a basic drywall screw, just like you use to install your drywall, and there's numerous holes here where you can install it at, okay? And all you got to do is just poke your screw through one of those holes, take your drill, run the screw down in there, sink the screw in just a little bit. You don't want your screw sticking out too far, because then that's just more mud you're going to have to put on it to actually cover it up and hide it. All of this stuff will be hidden when the finished product is done. And that's how you install corner bead.